Well guys, welcome back to Gamers Planet for you, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your display name on Roblox. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is open up Chrome Web Store. All you need to do is type in Chrome Web Store in your browser and click on the first link. Then you're going to need to look for Winscribe Virtual Private Network because it's only available for Germany, so if you're not in Germany, you're going to need a virtual private network. Then you guys just need to press add to Chrome, add extension. Then guys, after you've added the extension, go into Roblox and look for the extension guys down here. Then you guys just need to click on it and then you need to press get started. Then guys, it'll ask you to start a tutorial, but we won't need that for the sake of this video. After you've done that guys, you just need to click on that button and it'll bring you to the locations menu. This button right here. And then you guys need to look for Germany. It's gonna be somewhere near the top. And then after you've done that guys, it'll connect. And if you go to your settings in Roblox, here it's going to say display name. So what you guys are gonna do is click on the editor button here and you guys can change your display name to anything you want. I'm gonna change it to my YouTube name. And after you've done that guys, you can just press save. One thing to remember is that you can only change it once every 7 days, but other than that guys, after you're done with the display name in your settings, you guys are going to want to turn it off because you're going to get quite laggy. So you just press the power button here. And then guys, you can play games like you normally would. I'm going to join Row Citizens and I'll show you guys what I mean. Well guys, I've now loaded in, and as you can see here, it actually shows Gamers Planet for you at mbox36, which is pretty cool, meaning your display name is above and your username is below. So as you guys can see, even with the virtual private network turned off, we can still see our display name when we're in game. So I think that is pretty cool, and whenever you want to change it guys, all you need to do is activate the virtual private network by clicking on it and pressing the power button. But anyways, yeah, that's really all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this tutorial. I think this is a pretty cool Roblox update. And also, as you can see guys, people have display names in here. So yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.